Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Welcome to Deshler, Ohio, another edition of Small Town Tours, even though I think I would call this a micro-town tour. But if you're a rail fan like I am, this is a must visit if you're in Ohio. Stick around and stay tuned and let's see what we can get into.
Wow, could really feel that ground shake when you hit that crossover.
Welcome to Deshler, Ohio, a tiny little town with a cool set of railroad tracks, and just outside of town is a major intermodal port for trains as well. The village of Deshler is located in Henry County in northwest Ohio. It was originally named Portage following the 1850 arrival of its first settler. The name was changed to Alma in 1865 and finally to Deshler in 1875.
Old gas station? I guess I'm going to make a right.
CSX Transportation owns two rail lines in town. They were formerly Baltimore and Ohio and Chessie System.
That's an awesome mural.
The town is approximately 2.3 square miles. I told you it was huge. The crossroads of the B&O was where the B&O Detroit-Toledo to Cincinnati line crossed the very busy Chicago to Washington, D.C. main line. Welcome to Crossroad Park. This is where the opening shots of my video were filmed, and it's also where the virtual Railfan YouTube channel has its camera set up.
Well, here comes the train. And there's the webcam I see on YouTube. Hey, I'm on TV. It's a shame. You lose all these cool old buildings. Deshler metalworking. Metal spinning and machining.
Wow, look at this one that they've tore down.
Unless it fell down.
There's buildings with little porches.
I mean, that was obviously your old gas station.
Is that one of the old pumps?
I thought that was a Vega. That's what I thought it was.
Yes, it's a Vega.
I just watched a YouTube video on those. Oh, City Hall. Oh, there's another mural I missed.
The museum.
Yeah, looks closed though. HPJ Industries. What do they do? Enviroscape. What do they do? 1896. $1927.
How's the Cure mural? Did you get it?
Yep. Yeah, we'll go this way. It parallels the other road for a while. I wonder what the history of that old gas station is.
Alright, I'm going to leave you here with this drone footage. I appreciate you watching that. If you would, give me a huge thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to share it on Facebook. And if you know any of the town's history that I couldn't find, I would greatly appreciate you putting something in the comments below. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video.